Now let's call the bottom navigation bar param and pass the row widget to the bottom navigation bar param. And let's pass two icons as children of row. Now let's save it, restart the app and check it again. We can see two icons at our bottom navigation bar which are congested. Let's put each icon in expanded widget to expand the icons through the bottom bar. Save it, restart the app and test it again. Great, now it's looking better. Well, we can also take a bottom navigation bar widget instead of row widget. And the bottom navigation bar takes list of bottom navigation bar item. And the bottom navigation bar item takes several parameters. But for now, we will pass icon and title. Save it, restart the app and check back again. It's looking better now. We can also see the theme color has been automatically implemented on first navbar item. We can also implement different styles on every single widget. Let's try on icon first. Let's save it and check back. Great. We have implemented different colors to different icons. Now let's try on text widget. The text widget takes a special parameter, style. We can implement different text styles here, like font size, font weight, font color, and more. Let's save it and check back. Great, we have implemented new font style.